Have you ever sat down to express milk and wondered if you're doing it the right way? Maybe you're not sure which method works best, or perhaps you feel nervous about whether you'll collect enough milk. You're not alone, many new parents feel the same way. The good news is, with a little guidance, expressing milk can become a smooth and natural part of your routine. There are several ways to express breast milk, and each has its own rhythm and benefits. Some moms use their hands, some prefer a simple manual pump, while others choose the convenience of an electric pump. No matter which method you use, the goal is the same: to provide your baby with the comfort and nourishment of breast milk. Today, we'll explore each method in a simple and practical way. Hand expression is the most basic and natural method. To start, place your thumb and forefinger opposite each other around the edge of your areola knot, directly on the nipple. Press your hand gently toward your chest, then squeeze thumb and finger together while pulling forward slightly. Rotate your hand position to reach different milk ducts, switching between breasts and massaging gently in between. If you want to collect the milk, place a clean wide-topped cup under the breast you're working on. You can also wear a breast shell inside your bra, on the opposite side to catch any drips. Once you've expressed, pour the milk into bottles or storage bags right away. Always refrigerate or freeze the milk promptly, to keep it safe for your baby. A manual pump is simple and affordable, and it works well if you only pump occasionally. Place the flange over your nipple and areola, making sure it fits snugly. At the start, use short, quick squeezes on the handle to mimic a baby's natural sucking pattern. Once milk begins to flow, switch to longer, steady strokes for better output. Some moms like to moisten the edge of the flange with water or a drop of breast milk for better suction. You can even use a manual pump on one side while nursing your baby on the other. Just be sure to keep your baby supported with pillows so both of you are comfortable. Manual pumps can also help get your breasts primed before using an electric pump, if you ever need a boost. Electric pumps are faster and more efficient, especially if you need to pump often. Start on the lowest suction setting and increase gradually once milk begins to flow. Double pumping using both sides at once saves time and often increases milk supply. It's also normal to get more milk from one breast than the other, since they work independently. If you're pumping only one side, the other breast may leak at the same time. You can place a breast pad to prevent mess, or use a shell to collect those extra drops. Every bit of milk is valuable, so don't let it go to waste if you can help it. Having a plan for leaks makes pumping feel less stressful. Many pumps allow milk to go directly into bottles or special storage bags. Breast milk bags are sturdy and designed for freezing, making them safer than thin bottle liners. Some pumps even let you pump directly into bags, skipping the need for transferring. Whichever option you choose, always wash any containers thoroughly before using them again.